Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Oats are often seen as one of the healthiest foods you can eat, and that's mostly true. They're packed with nutrients, fiber, and protein. But here, is something most people don't realize. There are 4 common mistakes that can actually turn this healthy food into something harmful for your body, especially if you make them every day. You're definitely going to want to stick around until the end, because these tips could completely change the way you eat your oatmeal. But first, tell me in the comments, do you eat oats regularly? What type do you usually buy? Instant oatmeal, oat bran, rolled oats, and where in the world are you watching from? I'd love to know. If you trust my content and enjoy learning about health and nutrition, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That helps the channel a lot and tells YouTube that you enjoy these topics. And if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe. I post videos every week and I'm sure you'll love them. All right, let's get started. There's no doubt that oatmeal is a fantastic food. It can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, stabilize blood sugar, improve digestion, support gut health, prevent constipation, and even promote heart health when consumed the right way. But if you're not careful, a few small mistakes can completely change those benefits and even make oats harmful to your health. Let's go through the most common ones so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, pairing oats with the wrong ingredients. Oats are a great source of fiber and protein, but they're still mainly carbohydrates. The problem is that many people combine oats with other high-carb ingredients, like bananas, honey, or sweetened plant-based milks, without adding enough protein, fiber, or healthy fats to balance the meal. This can cause your blood sugar to spike and drop quickly, leaving you tired, hungry, and even inflamed. To fix this, make sure your oatmeal includes a balance of nutrients. Combine oats with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, chia seeds, flaxseed, or nuts, and choose fruits that are lower in sugar, such as berries. That way, your breakfast will keep you full and your blood sugar stable for hours. Mistake number 2, buying flavored or instant oatmeal packets. Those convenient little packets of instant oatmeal that come in flavors like maple and brown sugar or chocolate chips might look healthy, but most of them are loaded with added sugar and artificial flavorings. When you check the label, you'll see that many of these products contain more sugar than a dessert, and because they're so processed, they digest very quickly, causing another big spike in blood sugar and insulin. If you want to eat oats the healthy way, go for plain rolled oats, steel-cut oats, or whole oat flour. They're minimally processed, have no added sugar, and will give you steady energy throughout the day. Mistake number 3, eating too much. Oats are healthy, but that doesn't mean you should overdo it. Even though they contain fiber and protein, oats are still rich in carbs. So if you make a big bowl of oatmeal with 6 or 7 tablespoons, thinking it's a light snack, that is actually a lot of carbohydrates. Remember, portion control matters. For most people, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dry oats, or roughly half a cup cooked, is enough for a satisfying breakfast or snack without overloading on calories or carbs. Balance is key. More oats don't necessarily mean more health benefits. Mistake number 4, ignoring gluten contamination. Here's something that many people don't know. Oats themselves are naturally gluten-free, but during processing, they're often handled in facilities that also process wheat, barley, or rye. That means they can become contaminated with gluten. If you have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, this could cause serious digestive or immune reactions. So, always check the label for certified gluten-free oats if you need to avoid gluten. For most people, this isn't a problem, but for those with gluten-related conditions, it's an important detail to watch for. So tell me, have you been making any of these oatmeal mistakes? Or maybe more than one? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your experiences and tips. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with someone who loves oats. And always remember to talk to your doctor before making changes to your diet. If you want to keep learning about natural ways to improve your health, check out these other videos on the channel. 20 amazing health benefits of beets, and another about 12 foods that can help reverse fatty liver disease naturally. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. I truly hope we all continue to be blessed with health and vitality. Let's keep working together to protect our well-being. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.